Hi guys, Ernesta here. Welcome to the 7 Pillars of Service Excellence.
Here's what happens when you encourage your employees to take ownership instead of adopting "that's not my job" mentality from our 7 pillars of service excellence.
Taking ownership.
What ownership looks like. Taking initiative before being asked. Solving problems, even if they're not in your job description. Following through until the issue is resolved. Thinking, how can I help? Instead of, why should I care?
Here's another key feature of our pillars of service excellence.
Professionalism versus familiarity, understanding the difference.
Professionalism. Respectful boundaries are maintained at all times. Communication is polite, clear, and considerate. The focus is on the client's needs and experience, not on personal sharing or casual banter.
Familiarity. Boundaries can become blurred, talk becomes too casual or overly personal. It may lead to relaxed behavior that undermines professionalism, like joking too much, using slang, or complaining. Another pillar that supports routine checks, maintenance, and pride in the environment.
Routine checks are the daily habits that ensure nothing slips through the cracks. They're not glamorous, but they're critical. Visual walkthroughs before, during, and after a shift help catch dust, spills, or disarray. Supply checks ensure restrooms, lobbies, and workspaces are always stocked and guest-ready.
A pillar that focused on final touches that leave lasting impressions.
Examples of final touches. For cleaning services, fluffing pillows, folding toilet paper into a triangle, or leaving a subtle fragrance behind. Leaving a short thank you note or your space was clean today by. Making sure supplies are neatly restocked and aligned. For hospitality, client-facing roles. Holding the door and wishing someone a great day. Offering a bottle of water for the road. Saying, "Is there anything else I can do before you go?"
Give us a call so we can send you a link to integrate our plug-and-play system into your business model. Say goodbye to poor customer service. Whether you have 25, 50, or 100 employees, our automated system scales to fit your needs and work seamlessly across a variety of services.